In this video, we will be going over how to fix a damaged or broken exhaust. First, you will need to see if there's any excessive noise from your car or truck and if there's any lights coming up on your dash. Next, if you notice one of the things that I mentioned, you should look in your car and locate the area of the noise. Most likely it will be the muffler, so you are going to need to find where the muffler is located. When you find the muffler, you should wait until the car is turned off and cool before you touch it. But you are going to see if there's any dents, scrapes, holes, rust, and or severe corrosion on or around the muffler and pipes leading up to the muffler. If there weren't any of the things I listed and it is still loud and the lights are popping up on your dash, you should have noticed a power difference either way. But if the power is severely lacking and there is something wrong with the engine, you shouldn't be driving it. After you acknowledge your problem, you will want to rectify it, so you should take it to your local muffler shop if you notice anything wrong with the pipes or muffler. And you could have your friend or you weld it up instead of taking it to the muffler shop. Or if it's something wrong with the engine and you need to take it to an auto shop, after that, when you get it back, it should be feeling and sounding just like normal.